Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones and we're down here at the 2022 Food Truck Festival of the Year. See if I can get in on it. Woo-wee! Look at those Jersey dogs. And we got Big John's Grill. Yum, yum. Hand-cut French fries. Hand-fried battered pickles. My favorite. The next one is Sing-Sang.
Tacos. Oh, no, they're not new TikTok.
Look at that. Sing-Sang, home of the big fatty.
Fatty.
That's what I said.
Did it say fatty?
Yeah.
Home of the big fatty?
Yeah. You offended?
I resemble that remark.
And let's see what's up next. Coastal Barbecue. And next up, it's Curbside. The Philly cheesesteak.
The Nosh Pit.
Yeah, let's see what that is. Smells delicious.
Ashley's Yummy Tummy. Another kettle corn and Layla B something. Oh, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Get some of that.
So scan it.
Oh yeah. You want to open it?
All right, you ready? Go get it. Be fine. Oh
Look at
my
that.
goodness.
Woo-wee. That's some good eating right there.
Yes.
What's that? Layla B's.
Yes.
Layla B's.
I love it.
Hey, where are y'all located?
Here in Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle Beach,
Yes,
right?
sir.
All right. Check out Layla B's in Myrtle Beach.
Thank you.
if you're in Myrtle Beach this time next year and your stomach's growling and you're hungry, this is the place you want to be. So as always, keep beaching.